Welcome to Rat Ray Road. What way?
We went to Wat Way Road, but it looks really good. Let's leave that there. So we actually handed this over what we call a dry handover because the clients had been out of the house for a while and we couldn't get back in here to style and shoot. And so the clients have actually been in here for about 3 months, I'd say. Yeah. And so they've really had the time to live in it. Yeah, they are loving it.
Stevie loves to cook, and that was a big part of the brief. The kitchen that had a lot of storage space, a lot of workspace as well, and was going to accommodate a large fridge. Where the kitchen was located was a really big ticket item, and we really had to get that right so that it flowed between the living, the dining space, and with the rest of the house as well. But originally there was a big wall here. It's going to have quite a nice outlook onto the backyard and the deck. Where I'm standing now is going to be where our new kitchen is. So we're going to have a U-shaped kitchen with a peninsula island. Here we're going to have a nice window, it's a splashback. We've used a lot of white and we've used a lot of timber, and then we've coupled that with brass accents. So we want to try and keep things as light and bright as we could. And we tried to keep just our finishes throughout the house very consistent. So from the flooring, we wanted that to match the cabinetry as best we could. The bathrooms, initially there was one bathroom, so obviously we've relocated that. We've also added an ensuite. Currently what we've got here is obviously a big open space, but to my right here is where the bathroom and the ensuite is going to be. So bathroom entry through this hallway and the ensuite through where the chimney was. We've done a lot with the tight space. Obviously the vanity, toilet, shower, bath. We've actually added a skylight in there too for some natural light. In the ensuite we've relocated the shower to the back so it feels bigger than what it actually is. The colour scheme flows through with what we've got in the kitchen. We've also altered one of the other bedrooms, so the third bedroom in the house. So I've actually made that a little bit bigger and lined that up with a hallway. And we've also stolen a little bit of space from our laundry, which is still in its existing location, but will be fully updated with new cabinetry, tiles, stone and fittings. I'm standing in the master bedroom. So what we've done is take these existing doors out. We've removed the chimney, which is a big job for the boys, but they've done that well.
It's light, bright and inviting. That's my style of reno.
I remember talking to Stevie and she said it's exactly what she wanted to achieve, and it just works for how they want to live in this house and how the family operates.